The Dola Bamboye Foundation proudly presents Youth Power 2022, streaming live on YouTube on January 13th from 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. West African time. Youth Power 2022 is a platform for young people from all walks of life to participate in discussions and debate on how the youth can reach their goals and contribute to their communities. This event is brought to you in partnership with the Beat 103.6 London and Bang Edutainment.
Hey, God! Have you seen my explore lately? Oh my goodness! Just food. And that's why I watch the whole talent show. You know the reason why I watch it? Anytime I've run out of ideas of what to cook for my husband, I'll just tune into my own talent. Look at that Obe to do, oh my God! You guys, you need to watch this show. Which of your contestants are you rooting for already? Do you have a favorite one? I'm not telling you which one is mine, but I know which one is yours. I won't tell anybody, don't worry. So the show is now showing on YouTube from 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 5 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Orisun Saturday and Sunday, 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. And Galaxy from 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So don't miss out. Watch and enjoy the show.
This is an exclusive invitation for you to come to the open house and see it for yourself, feel it, know how beautiful it is. I want you to be here. It's One Cooper Road. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. It should be yours. So I want to invite you exclusively to come to my open house. This is an exclusive invitation.
The Dola Bamboye Foundation was set up in December 2020 to honor a husband, father, brother, uncle, friend, a man who meant many things to many people, a kind soul who committed to showing love and compassion to everyone he came across. He once referred to himself as the Honourable Minister of Enjoyment, who comes with good tidings only. It is in this spirit that we launched the foundation, to honour Dola's work and memory by striving to improve life chances of young people. Spreading as much goodness as we can.